Fight. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for yet another video. It's actually Calvin and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today we're not going to be working on my WRX today, we're going to be working on my friend's WRX. His name is JOEDEVONO. I'll leave his Instagram down below. So as you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be installing an STI spoiler. We're not going to be doing it on my car. I know the STI wing is a very debatable mod. Some people are talking shit about putting STI wings on WRXs. Me, I really don't care. My buddy said he's gonna do something really aggressive with it, so I'm definitely gonna trust him with the build. Also, what do you guys think about STI wings on WRXs? Do you like them or not? Alright everybody, we just got to my buddy Joe's garage and we're getting the trunk prepped up for the STI wing. We're going to be using painter's tape so we can mark down where we're going to trace our lines because we don't have a template with us. He got this from a local pickup just about like 2 hours away, I think in Irwin, PA. OEM stock spoiler, so it's going to be really clean install. Love his wheel setup though, it's really clean. It's a really clean WRX. He literally got this 1 week after I did. Some clean DGM boys. Do you want to tell people what you have done to your car so far?
Right now it's just a carbon catback with a stage 0 tune with an access port and a pair and cold air intake.
And he's actually picking up a downpipe soon, so he's going to be part of the stage 2 crew. And if you guys want to follow my friend Joe's build, I'll leave his Instagram down in the description below. So our idea is we're going to take a piece of notebook paper and what we're going to do is we're going to pierce it through these holes and we're going to use that to trace the lines and we're going to use that for our drilling points.
Like, if we got it centered up and measured this from here to here, if it was the same from here to here and from here to here on both sides, then it would be centered. And then we could mark with the marker like just to the right of that, and then we would just know to drill to the left of that.
Yeah. Let's do that.
So I'll see if I can.
I also got the single exit delete for you.
Oh, word, sweet. This thing. For the access port.
Oh, thanks bro, I appreciate it.
Yep.
And I don't think either of us have ever installed an STI spoiler on a car before, so this is going to be a learning experience for the both of us. We decided to ditch the paper plan. We decided it was actually way too confusing, so we're just going to measure it on both sides. For the bit, it says to use a 1/4 inch bit, so we're going to go a little bit smaller just to be safe. You ready to drill into your trunk, bro?
No.
Okay, we're committed, we're committed. All we're doing right now is we are drilling all of the bits. We're going from the smallest size to the actual size we need. So we are working up from the smallest size all the way to a 1/4 inch. everybody, we have the 2 new holes drilled. What we decided to do, we decided to scrap the middle screw, and we just got the 2 out here. And we also took off the middle screw on the STI spoiler as well. So right now we're going to go to the hardware store and we're going to grab the 2 bolts we're going to need that are going to go for the screws. On the drive to the hardware store, I think what we both need for our cars, we both need F1 brake lights. Leave a like if you guys agree. Alright guys, we are back from the hardware store. When we actually walked in, we looked like such idiots. We walked in with the whole wing inside because we didn't know what size bolt we needed. Alright, we're back from the hardware store. We're going to do the final installation for the wing. We're just going to remove all of the tape and finally get it prepped up for the wing. Alright, we got the STI spoiler test fitted. We actually think this looks so good. I'm actually going to be super hyped for what my buddy Joe is going to be doing for this project. It's not going to look just like this, so next time you see it, it'll probably look more aggressive. Right now we're applying the 3M tape onto the spoiler. We want it to be secure, so we just going to take this one extra last step. Put the wing on backwards.
Let's go try setting it down and putting it in there. Yep. Okay. Wait, oh my gosh, the locking nut doesn't go on the outside.
Does it go on the inside?
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Okay, we didn't even have the 3M cut, so we're okay. This one did.
What you really need to do is get this on like fingerprint a little bit, because it gets like stuck in here.
Oh yeah. What we also did, we took the plumbing O-rings and we're gonna put it between the trunk screws just so we can have not a leaky trunk. This is just an extra step we took. You guys don't have to do this if you don't want. We ended up needing a lot more hardware than we needed, so this is round 2 to the hardware store. Round 2, we're back. The bolt we need is a M6.
Good.
Alright, we are done with the install today, guys. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Joe for giving me a hand and letting me steal his content.
Joe!
Let me know what you guys think of the wing install in the comments below.